Chicken wrap recipe. For the grilled chicken, 1 pound for 150 grams boneless. Skinless chicken breasts to tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. For the wrap, for large whole wheat or spinach tortillas, 1 cup shredded lettuce, 1 cup diced tomatoes, 1 cucumber, thinly sliced, 1/2 red onion, thinly sliced, tzatziki sauce or your favorite dressing. Grilled chicken. 1. Preheat your grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. 2. In a bowl, mix together olive oil, cumin, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 3. Brush the chicken breasts with the spice mixture. 4. Grill the chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes per side or until fully cooked. Allow it to rest for a few minutes before slicing. Wrap assembly. 1. Lay out the tortillas on a clean surface. 2. Place a handful of shredded lettuce in the center of each tortilla. 3. Add slices of grilled chicken on top of the lettuce. 4. Layer with diced tomatoes, cucumber slices, and red onion. 5. Drizzle with tzatziki sauce or your favorite dressing. Wrap it up, fold in the sides of the tortilla, and then roll it up tightly, securing with toothpicks if needed. Serve your homemade chicken wraps with additional sauce on the side and enjoy a flavorful and satisfying meal.